Welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you Bachata hip circle in place that is going to help you spice up your dancing. This class is for beginners who have no previous experience dancing Bachata or very little experience. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to turn around so that it's easier for you to follow me. And we're going to start with the basic step to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on 5, we're going to step with our left to the side, bringing our hips to the left and transferring our weight on the left leg. On 6, we're going to start making a circle with our hips to the back, to the right, while we're transferring our weight on the right leg, and now our hips are pointing to the right as well. On 7, we're going to keep making a hip circle now in front, so now we're moving our hips from the right to the left, while we're transferring our weight on the left leg. Hips are pointing to the left. And on 8, we're going to tap with our right together. Let's try it one more time, just the hip circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together with the basic step to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when I make this hip circle and my hips are in the back on 6, I keep my knees straight and my upper body is leaning forward slightly. This makes it easier for me to push my hips to the back. And what you can also do is arch your back slightly, not too much because you don't want to hurt your back, just slightly, and this is going to help you emphasize this movement. Okay, I'm stepping to the side, and now I keep my knees straight, my upper body is leaning forward just slightly, and I'm arching my back slightly as well. And now I tap. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm trying to isolate my hips as much as possible, okay? And I'm also trying to keep my upper body in one place, in one spot. I'm not moving my upper body along with my hips like this, okay? So I'm not making a circle with my upper body. I try to keep it in one place and isolate my hips as much as possible. What you can also do, and I actually recommend you do that, is engaging your ab muscles while we're doing this hip circle. This is going to help you move your hips from one side to the other, and also it is going to help you protect your back. Okay, so let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side, but first we'll do a basic step to the right, then basic step to the left, and then we will do the hip circle to the right, okay? So let's do this, starting with the basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now on 1, we're going to step with our right to the side, bringing our hips to the right and transferring our weight on the right leg. On 2, we're going to start making circle with our hips to the back, moving them to the left while we are transferring our weight on the left leg, and now our hips are pointing to the left. On 3, we're going to keep making circle with our hips now in front, and now we're moving our hips from the left to the right. On 3, as we are transferring our weight on the right leg, and now our hips are pointing to the right. And on 4, we're going to tap with our left together. Okay, so let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to finish it off, we'll do the basic step to the left on 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it, okay? So let's try it one more time. Hip circle to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put it together from the top, okay? So we'll start with the basic step to the right, and then we'll do hip circle to the left. Then we'll go basic step to the right, basic step to the left, hip circle to the right, and again basic step to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hip circle. 5, 6, 7, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hip circle. 1, 2, 3, basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hip circle. 5, 6, 7, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hip circle. 1, 2, 3, basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. This time I will face you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And now let's try with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So this was Bachata hip circle in place. Please make sure to practice this a few more times until you feel like you've mastered it. Remember to keep your knees straight when you have your hips in the back. Engage your ab muscles to protect your back and try to isolate your hips as much as possible from the rest of your body. Okay? So that was all for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you in my next one.